Hello guys, welcome. My name is Kritesh and welcome to the Trade Prince channel. In this video we are going to discuss about virtual stock trading. Now first of all, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. We publish new investing videos every week. So before starting how to use virtual trading platforms in India, first let's understand what is a virtual trading platform. I have already written a detailed blog post on what is virtual stock trading on Trade Prince website, which you can read. Here I have discussed about what is a virtual stock trading, what are the pros, what are the cons, and what are the virtual stock trading platforms in India. Now the first is what is a virtual trading platform? It is same as a real trading platform, but the only difference is that here you do not use real money, you use virtual money. So let's say you get registered in any virtual trading platform, they will provide you some virtual cash, let's say 10 lakh or 1 crore, and you can use that money to buy and sell stocks. Now there are many benefits of using virtual trading platform. First, especially if you are a beginner, for example, using virtual trading account, you can learn different strategies like how to buy, how to sell, how to create a portfolio, how to make a watch list, etc. Second, as no real money is involved, so there is not any risk of losing money. You can try out anything that you want. And the third is you won't need to open brokerage account. You won't require demat trading account. All you need is an email account and you can start trading. The biggest cons of using virtual trading is that you do not get emotionally attached with the trading. Even you have a profit or a loss, it doesn't matter much to you because you won't be getting that money. Therefore, that's why people take a lot of risk while they are doing virtual trading as compared to when they'll be doing with their own amount. And that's why they, as they are not emotionally attached, therefore their decisions might get a little influenced. So this is the disadvantage of using virtual trading. Nevertheless, the advantages are a lot more compared to the disadvantage. If you're completely new to the stock market, you can learn the basics and different strategy using virtual trading platform, and I'll really recommend you to try virtual trading platform for a few months before. Now there are three famous websites where you can learn stock trading, virtual stock trading, and we are going to discuss each one of them in details. The first one is MoneyBuy. So the website of MoneyBuy is moneybuy.moneycontrol.com, and it is owned by Money Control. So it is also a virtual trading platform where on registering you will get an amount of rupees 1 crore that you can use to buy and sell stocks. The first thing that you need to do here after opening this website is to register. So you can register using your Facebook ID or your Google ID. Now I have already used my Facebook account, so I'll register with Gmail. So all you need to do is to open Gmail and select the account that you want to use. So the next thing that you want to do is to go to transact and stock. So it will ask you to make choose a nickname. So you can choose any nickname. Let's say you want to take Black Panther, whatever nickname you want to take, you can choose it, and then it will be registered. So your MoneyBuy nickname is Black Panther 007. And once your nickname is choose, it will ask you to make a portfolio. So let's say you want to make a value investing portfolio. It's just a name. You can choose whatever name you want, like value investing, growth investing, dividend investing, whatever you want to take a name. ABC, XYZ, you can take a name, but for simplicity I'm taking the name as value investing. And you have to here write a few words about how you will use 1 crore to invest. So let's say here I write that I want to invest in undervalued stocks that are trading at a discount. So you can write whatever you want, but just for simplicity I wrote the definition of value investing and click on done. When it's done, you have created your name of the portfolio, and if you go to my investments and my portfolio, you can see that you have been allotted rupees 1 crore. Now you can use this rupees 1 crore to buy stocks, mutual funds, bonds, fixed deposit, whatever investment that you want. Currently we have all the money in cash and we don't have any stock or any mutual fund. And here it shows total today's gain and overall gain. So let's say we bought for one stock and its price rose today from it's higher compared to what it was yesterday. So it will show the today's gain here, and let's say after 1 month the price changed something different, so the aggregate difference of the 1 month it will show in the overall gain. And this is how it works. So let's say we want to buy a stock, so you will go in transact stock, and here you will get option like write the name of the stock. Let's say we want to buy a stock, HPCL. So just write HPCL, then it will give you an option whether you want to buy on NSC or BSC. It doesn't make much difference whether you buy it on NSC or BSC. I generally prefer NSC. And then it will ask you an option whether you want to do in cash or intraday. So for if you want to buy stock for long term or 1 month, 2 month, that is more than 1 day, then you have to select cash. And if you want to do intraday, that is buy the stock on same day and sell on the same day, then you can select intraday. Here we are discussing about long term. You want to make a long term portfolio, so you will select cash and select buy. Then it will ask you to write the quantity. So you have 1 crore rupees, you can buy whatever number of quantity you want. For simplicity we are choosing 100 quantity. And then is the option of price. So for price there is two options, current price or limit price. Let's say you want to buy that stock at rupees 279 only, what is the market price of the company, then you can select current price. However, if you want to buy this stock only when the stock price is at rupees 278 or 275, whatever is you want, so here you can place limit order. Now there are pros and cons of both. Like for limit order, if you place that you want to buy the stock only at rupees 275, then thing is that it is in your control that what price you want to buy that stock. However, the problem is that the stock might never go to rupees 275. Let's say from 279 it moved to 281 to 285. Then it might be possible that you won't be able to buy that stock. However, the pros is that it gives you the total command what price you want to buy. Similarly, you can also select current price. So current price is the market price at which the current stock is currently trading. So it is currently trading at rupees 279 and you want to buy at 279, then you can place current price. Now again, the problem with current price is that it takes some time to place order. Let's say while you are placing the order, it took some time, 15 seconds, 21 minutes something, and in that time the price moved from rupees 279 to 281 or 285. So here this is not the amount that you wanted to purchase. It might be higher or lower. The price may even fall to rupees 275. So whatever will be the market price, at that price you will buy that stock. So these are some pros and cons of using current price and limit price. So first we will buy using current price. So you will just select current price, write the quantity, and that's all. We are not going to write targets or stop loss. And then you have to write the reason why you want to buy that stock. Let's say whatever your reason is. Let's say you believe that HPCL is undervalued because its P is something something. So you have to write some reason that why you are buying that stock and just place on done. When you click on done, it will say that congrats, your order has been placed, and it will go to order book. So order book is a book which keeps all the transaction. Let's say you bought the stock but it's not, the transaction is not complete. Maybe there's not so much seller who is selling that stock, so it will show pending result. So as long as it in the order book, you can understand here, you can see that it's pending, that it's not, transaction is not complete. Maybe maybe it's not able to find the seller or something. However, the problem generally in the real time, it's happen in seconds that you have bought the stock, you have sold the stock if the volume of that stock is very good. And here you can see that volume is very high, 11.09 million. So generally it happens in within seconds. However, this is a virtual trading and it might take some time, but generally in the market, when you place the market order, it doesn't take much time and your transaction will be completed. So if your transaction is complete and you want to check that it's actually happened, you can go to transaction history. And here you can see that currently it's not showing any history, so maybe it's taking little time, but generally it happens very fast and your order will get completed within seconds. So this is how you place an order, once your order is completed, it will show in your transaction history. And here if you go to my investment and portfolio, then currently it's showing rupees 10 lakh as total cash. It will change to stocks, how much stock you are holding and their price. So let's again go to this order book and let's see if it's completed or not. It's still pending. It's taking little time. Generally it doesn't take a lot of time. But this is how you might have got the idea that you will first place the order market or limit price, and this will need to go in the order book. If it's completed, it will show the status as completed, else it will show as pending. And once it is done, you can see the transaction history. So now you can see it's in the transaction history. It's showing that you have bought HPCL 100 stock at rupees 279.60. Now if you go to portfolio, you can see that you have one stock in your portfolio, that is HPCL. So you have used some amount out of rupees 1 crore to buy HPCL. Let's buy another stock to make a portfolio. Generally, a portfolio consists of 8 to 10 stocks or whatever number of stocks that you want. So for the simplicity, we will buy just two stocks here. First using the market price and second using limit price. So let's again go to transact and stock, and here we will choose. Let's take another company, Maruti Suzuki. So select Maruti Suzuki. It will again ask BSE and SE. You can choose whatever you want, and you want to do in long term. So you select cash and buy. Then in the quantity, now one stock is of rupees 398, and you have remaining of rupees 99 lakh remaining. So again, you can buy whatever number of stock you want. Let's say we are buying 100 stocks of Maruti Suzuki, but this time we are buying at a limit price. That we are not buying at a price that is currently in the market. We are buying a different price. So currently it's showing that the market price is rupees 9398, but we want this stock to buy only when the price is 9394. When the price falls to rupees 9394, only then we want to buy the stock. So here we are placing limit order. Just confirm and write the reason why you are buying that stock, because I believe Maruti is a good company which is at low valuation right now. Whichever reason that you think, you can write here. You do not need to be so much transparent at why you are buying that stock. You can write whatever reason you want and just place an order. Done. When you click on the done, you can again see that your order has been placed, and you can go in the order book, and here you can see that it's pending. Now you can see here that from rupees 9398 it moved to rupees 9400. So it might be possible that the stock will move up and up and we will never go down, then your transaction will never be complete. So here you might be thinking about, oh, why have I involved so much money in the stock? Maybe I want to take out my money, or I do not want to place that order. So you can delete that order from here, so it won't be so the transaction won't be complete and you will get back the money. Similarly, if you want to change or modify the order, that you think that the price is will go high, then you can also modify all here. So you click on modify, and let's say you have earlier given a price of rupees 9394. Now you want to buy the stock at rupees 9400. So you can change it to 9400, or let's say 9402 rupees. And you have already written a reason and just place on done. It will ask you to confirm, so just click on OK. Then your order will be placed, and currently you are placed for rupees 9400 and the price dropped to rupees 9300. So obviously you will get this stock, and because the quantity is little higher, 100 quantity, so it might take a little time. However, the transaction will be completed, and once it's completed you can see it in the transaction history. So now it's not showing in the transaction history. This means that it's not completed and it's in the order book. Nevertheless, once it's completed, it will show in the transaction history and in all the order book also. We'll just wait for a few seconds so that it gets completed. So now you can see that the transaction is complete and you have bought both the stock, HPCL and Maruti Suzuki. You have bought 100 stocks of both these companies. And just go to your portfolio. Portfolio is a place which shows all your stocks, mutual fund, whatever you have bought. So let's go to my portfolio, and here you can see that now your total volume from 1 crore it increased to rupees 15. So you made a profit of rupees 15 today. So this is the today's gain and overall gain. So you are just starting today, so today and overall will be gain. However, if you check it after 1 month or 1 year, today's gain and one overall gain will be different. And when you click on the stocks, you can see that these stocks are in your portfolio. Now again, you can buy 10 or 20 or whatever number of stocks you want, and you can create a very good portfolio here. You can track them daily. What's your net profit? What's your today's profit? And you can try out different strategies here. You have a lot of money and stocks to buy to understand the strategies. Similarly, if you, let's say you made some profit and you want to sell that stock, let's say here you can see that a today's profit is rupees 15 and you want to sell 5 stocks from HPCL. So just go on this buy and sell, and this time you want to sell the stock, so click on sell. Now as you have 100 shares, so your maximum number of shares that you can sell is 100. Let's say you want to sell 50 stocks, so just write 50, and you want at current price or market price. Like, it's again same as like buying the stock. You can sell at the market price or you can sell at a specified price. Let's say we want to sell at a current price only, so just write current price and write the reason why you want to sell. I want to book the profit, or whatever reason you think, just write there and click on done. And when it's done, you can see that your order has been placed. You can go on order book and check how's the order, and it's already been executed. So if you go to transaction history, and you can see that sell your 50 stocks has been sold. So this is how you buy and sell stocks in your using virtual product portfolio. Here you do not require any brokerage and demat account. Here you won't require any complex documentation. You will get instant rupees 1 crore, and you can use that money to buy, sell, and do your transactions. So this is the best place to learn stock trading without any risking any money, or without even knowing the basics. Even if you don't know the basics, you can just learn here, because all no money is at risk here. And similarly, if you also want to trade in mutual funds, bonds, or fixed deposits, you can try them out also. Now you can see your profit increased to rupees 23. Now, but this is very small profit, approximately zero, because you have total worth of rupees 1 crore. Now this is the first website, Money Control. Similarly, there are two other websites also which you can try out for virtual trading. Now it totally depends on your preference, which virtual trading platform you want to use. The basic strategy is to buy and sell stock in all those virtual trading platform will be the same. In all those platforms, you have to make your portfolio. You have to buy stocks, sell stocks using market order or limit order, and it's almost the same, just the UI will be different, user interface. Some is very simple, some might look complex, so it totally depends on your preference which virtual trading platform you want to use. So the first one was Money Control. The second is Track Invest. So the website of Track Invest is www.trackinvest.com. So here again you can go and create an account and start for free. Now, the one of the benefit of using Track Invest is that you can invest in multiple stock exchanges here. So in Money Control there was only NSE, BSE, but if you want to trade in foreign stocks, then here you can use Track Invest. But there's a downside that it's not totally free. The first month is free, but after that you have to pay some money for your login profile. So the second is Track Invest, and the third one is Dalal Street Journal, DSJ. So again, this I have already included the link on the website you can use to go to the Dalal Street, and this is also same as Money Control, and here you can sign up and start trading. So it is also same as any virtual trading platform. You will get rupees 1 million or 10 lakh, and you can use that amount to apply different strategies. And again, here you can also compete with different people, like how they are, where they are investing, how much profits they have. So you can also learn the strategies by copying others or looking at their investment. So these are the three best websites to learn stock market investing, virtual stock trading in India. The first is MoneyBuy, second is Track Invest, and the third is the Dalal Street Journal. Now there's one more virtual trading platform that I want you to know, and this is the Investopedia. Just go to investopedia.com. Now this is my personal favorite, and I used this website only to learn investing, because at that time I was not familiar with MoneyBuy or Track Invest, so I used Investopedia. However, the problem with Investopedia is that it only has foreign stocks, that it doesn't have Indian companies, HPCL, Yes Bank, or those companies. So if you are familiar with foreign companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Twitter, Amazon, those companies, and you want to trade in those stocks, you can use Investopedia. So this is a very simple simulator. You just go to and create your account and go to simulator, click on simulator, and here you can see you can create a portfolio and you can buy and sell foreign stocks. Now I'm not active on this one, this I'm just using to show you how to do it. Just go to portfolio and you can see that I've bought just one stock, Apple, 100 quantity for 174, and it's currently trading at 190. So you can learn to trade in foreign stocks and different strategies, how to analyze stocks using Investopedia. So this is a good website to learn about foreign stocks if you are genuinely invested to learn about foreign stock investing. So this is the fourth bonus website that I want you to know. That's all. I hope you like the video. It's really simple to trade in stocks. Trading stocks doesn't take much time and effort. You can start trading in stocks even from today. Just create a virtual portfolio and start trading. And it doesn't require much effort, much time, or any money. You can start trading anytime and you can learn a lot using the virtual trading platforms. That's all. I hope this video is useful. If you like the video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more interesting investing videos. This is Kritesh signing off.